So we start off today's video with this gorgeous hair transformation. Wow, so she went from being blonde to brunette. Absolutely stunning. And then we have a bob being turned into more of a mini bob. Very cute. Oh, followed by another stunning bob haircut transformation. Absolutely gorgeous. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature a variety of long to short hair transformations as well as some color changes. So if you have been thinking of switching up your hair, this video is for you. We hope that this video does inspire you, and if it does, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and of course hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have another gorgeous lob. Followed by someone doing a DIY blowout. So she's roller setting her hair here using the flat iron. Oh, very cute. Nice 90s inspired blowout look. Oh, she's doing a DIY copper. And as you guys know, orange and copper tones are very popular right now. Wow, I can't believe she did that at home. That came out absolutely stunning. So it looks like she went all black with her hair color. She got some waves and some beautiful dimensional blonde. So we have someone doing the blonde hair trend. So that's basically like a lighter brunette. I haven't seen anyone doing this hair color in quite a few seasons now. It was popular a couple of years ago, and I guess it might be making a comeback. Wow, absolutely gorgeous. Face rimming highlights, stunning. And we have someone doing the DIY wolf cut or butterfly cut. Wow, it always amazes me how well these turn out. I haven't actually seen much of a fail for doing the DIY butterfly cut. So she's doing hers on wet hair, which is a very good technique because you're going to get a better result with that. I like her hair color too. She has like that reddish brown hair. Very nice. She did a great job with the cut. The blowout aspect, once you do the blowout after you cut your hair, it really just kind of sets the style. Oh, I love her hair color. So she is rocking the split dye trend. Looks like she has like platinum or ash blonde on one side and then black on the other. So cute. So this method would work more so, I think, on straighter textures. It might be harder to pull off salon-worthy results if you do have curly hair. But let me know if you have curly hair and this method has worked for you. Leave me in the comments below what your results were. So this person already has curtain bangs, and then she's just going in and adding some more layers, doing the butterfly cut method. Very pretty. It almost looks to me like she gave herself like a bit of a trim overall, because she didn't cut too much off. Oh, and there's the blowout. So pretty. Definitely salon-worthy results. So she has a really pretty hair color. It looks almost like a ginger color towards the ends. So it looks like she needs to do the blowout aspect to give her that salon-worthy results, but very nice. So I hope you guys enjoyed all of these hair transformations that we checked out in today's video. If you did feel inspired by any of them, don't forget to give this one a big thumbs up. Let us know in the comments below which hair transformation was your favorite, and we will see you in the next video.